water.
Dream of once
Getting
in
fruit
my
ready.
love.
That's a pretty
The
big size.
oh,
We'll be harvesting here in a week or so, hopefully. Trees are loaded. Everything's looking good. Waiting for the good harvest. Keep you guys updated. House is breaking and whatnot. Everything else is working out pretty good. Trees are holding the fruit. Starting to get some nice color. Pretty good size, clean. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I don't know if you want to subscribe, and I'll keep posting. I haven't been posting much. This avocado business is real repetitive. It's just watering, fertilizing, and watching the fruit grow slowly. Not much science to it. Just have to stay on top of things, make sure trees are well fed, got plenty of water. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.